Hey YouTube fam, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. We're gonna make some of the best air fryer shrimp on the planet. Yes, I said it, on the planet. I'm not joking. So this is what we've got, y'all. We got some olive oil, and I want you to put that olive oil right in the midst of your shrimp. How many shrimps do I have laid out in this bowl right now? Comment below in the comment section. The next ingredients I'm using is some ground black pepper. Yes, the brown pepper is gonna give it a nice little taste, y'all. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. The next ingredients, we have some roasted garlic and red pepper seasoning. I got this from Ross. You know Ross is the boss. I'm telling you, it's going to make it flavorful. The next ingredients, we have some all-in-one Spain spices. If you don't know, Spain spices is what's kicking. I'm going to leave the description below for you guys as well. Then we have some Louisiana Cajun seasoning to this. You understand what I'm saying? This is going to be a healthy but yet tasty type of dish. So we also have some green parsley, dried parsley. We want to go ahead and make these flavors pop, make these colors pop as well once we're cooking it. The next ingredients I'm going to add to this is some of this here Yummies blackened seasoning. And I'm telling you right now, between Yummies and Spain spices, they're both good. I'm telling you, y'all. So I'm leaving the descriptions where you can find those ingredients. And all you have to do now, man, is just mix everything together, bring everything together. Okay, I'm using my Camp Chef air fryer. Yes, Lord. I love this here air fryer, y'all. I'm telling you right now, it's the best for me. I don't know about you guys, but it is definitely the best for me. Now I want you to go ahead and just layer your shrimp. You like how I say that, shrimp. Layer your shrimp in your air fryer basket. Spread it out. If it's touching, no problem. Don't worry about it. Just as long as it's not sitting on top of each other, okay? Now, once you've done that, I want you to go ahead and get ready to toss it up in that air fryer. And I want you to set the timers on that baby. You understand what I'm saying? So I got my air fryer all the way up to 400 because I know it's going to cook quick. I know how my air fryer work, y'all. So I want to set this, even though you see me setting it at 10 minutes, it's only going to cook for at least around about a good 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Trust and believe me. I know this is the quickest way of cooking some good tasting healthy shrimp in the whole wide world. This is just me checking it in between time. But now I know it's ready. Yes, Lord, it's ready. And it took me at least around about a good 3 to 5 minutes to cook this here shrimp. So it don't take long. Look how beautiful those shrimps look. Yes. Now you can pair this up with you some buttered rice, healthy eating right here. I'm not joking, y'all. This is some healthy eating. And then once you eat this with some buttered rice, and I cook my rice in the microwave. I don't know about y'all. Y'all want to go to the stove and cook it on top of that stove. I'm ready to eat. So it's going to take me no time to cook it in the microwave. Lord, have mercy. Look how good that shrimp look, y'all. Ooh, and it tastes so good. Try this here recipe, y'all, and I'm telling you, you will not regret it at all. Trust and believe me. You'll thank me later. You'll say, Ray Mack, man, I really thank you for putting this out here for us to try. And I'm telling you, that buttered rice, it went well with this. But I want to tell y'all, thank you so much for watching these here videos, and also subscribe to my channel by clicking on my picture and hitting that subscribe button after you've clicked on that picture. Watch these videos, comment below and let me know exactly what you think, but please tell me how many shrimps was in that bowl. Give this video a thumbs up. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.